Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Telegram on PC and laptop. It's quite easy and straightforward, and it will take a couple of minutes to do so. Right, so first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Microsoft Store. Then you just need to go on search, and then you just need to write on search Telegram, right? And after you do so, we need to wait for a couple of seconds, and probably the first link will be Telegram desktop. Press on it, then press get, and then you just need to wait until installation process will be ended. And after installation process is ended, you should get not a get button, but open. So just open up. And then here you can press start messaging, and you just need to basically log into your account, and then you can enjoy Telegram on your PC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.